finally lets me record. Hey, welcome back to the video. So, yes, you read the title, you read the thumbnail. We're gonna be opening this bad boy. I may be like, hey Tayden, why are you opening that? That's very old. It might be a lot of money. It's not. It's like $10 on Amazon, at least. So yeah. It says on the back, it says, the signature gold collection is the last series that will feature bone-crushing action. Each 6-inch figure comes with an actual autograph and limited edition gold attitude base. So why is it $10? Anyways, we're going to be opening it. Also, it won't be a lot of money because it's pretty beat up and stuff. But, so yeah, let's open it, I guess. You know, let's give you guys a better angle. Alright. So, I'm pretty excited for this. Let's see what it goes. You have to legitimately destroy the box just to open it. So here's Triple H. And then his signature is right here. Man, this feels pretty good actually. Let's get the gold base out. Gonna clear myself on plastic. Here's the gold base. So yeah. God. So it's pretty cool. Let's get you guys to a better angle. So here he is on the gold WWF base. So let's look at all the articulation. So, this is basically it. And that's all the articulation. Oh yeah, you can also do this. But you can bend. You can kind of go back. Can't move his head side to side. He can rotate his arm all the way. He can bend back this far, go forward that far, and that's about it. Do I regret opening it? Nope, not even in the slightest. But hold on, before I throw away the box. I'm keeping this bit for the gold WWF logo. So, yeah. If you want to pick this up, you literally can. It's $10 on like Amazon or something. $20, like that's the most I've ever seen it for. So yeah. Let's look at the face. I don't see hair in that. Here's the hair. There's a little braid in there. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I really like this chunk color, you know? It's really good. So you got H3 on the back. You just got an H on the front. Normal black boots, normal black jacket, nothing so cool there. So yeah, that's all that this figure is. But I'm gonna just sit here for 11 more minutes so I can get 10 minutes on. I'm already bored. See you guys next time.